Assalamu alaikum guys, let's make some Ramadan Shai. Where are all my tea lovers at? So first up, we're going to put about a cup of dry mint into our boiling water, followed by a couple teaspoons of lemongrass. And here is a bit of an orange peel and about a teaspoon of cloves. Next, I'm adding 1 stick of cinnamon and about 5 pods of cardamom. This makes it smell so amazing. This tea is my go-to tea during Ramadan. I love it. It helps with the bloating and really does feel like a hug, a warm hug inside. So carry on boiling your tea until you're satisfied with its strength. There is no tea leaves in this, so it's caffeine free. Go ahead and pour it into your flask and serve generously. I like to have my tea with a drizzle of honey to finish. It smells so amazing and it is really a treat after iftar. Thank you so much for watching. Barakamu da shan ruwa, Allah ya karbi ibadamu, and may we all have a blessed month. Ramadan Kareem.